Life is full of surprises. Sometimes these surprises are joyful and exciting, but other times they can catch us completely off guard and leave us feeling overwhelmed. Not all of them are good. In fact, some can turn your world upside down in an instant, leaving you scrambling to figure out what to do next. Many people face tough times like losing a job, getting hit with an unexpected medical bill, or dealing with a sudden home or car repair. These moments can be stressful and frightening, especially if you're not financially prepared. The truth is, many people are not ready for these surprises. They don't have a plan in place, and that can make a difficult situation even worse. A recent study showed that almost half of Americans cannot handle a $1,000 emergency expense. That means millions of people are living on the edge, just one unexpected event away from financial hardship. This means many people are one car repair, one medical bill, or one missed paycheck away from serious financial trouble. It's a stressful way to live, and it can happen to anyone. But you don't have to let this happen to you. You can take steps right now to protect yourself and your loved ones from the unexpected. It is time to take control of your finances and secure your future. By making a plan and sticking to it, you can build a strong foundation for whatever life throws your way. The first step is building an emergency fund. Even small amounts add up over time, and having something set aside can make all the difference. An emergency fund is money you set aside for unexpected events, like a safety net that's always there when you need it most. It is your safety net when life throws you a curveball. It gives you peace of mind, knowing you have a backup plan. With an emergency fund, you can face the future with confidence, knowing you have a financial cushion to fall back on. You'll be ready for whatever comes your way. Start building your safety net today. Your future self will thank you for taking this important step toward financial security and peace of mind. Imagine this. You lose your job, your car suddenly breaks down, or you're hit with an unexpected medical bill that you didn't see coming. These events are stressful enough on their own, even before you think about the money. Now imagine facing them without any savings at all. Suddenly, these events become much scarier and overwhelming. An emergency fund acts as a financial buffer, helping to protect you from these unexpected events. Having an emergency fund can mean the difference between weathering life's storms and falling into debt. It can help you avoid high-interest credit card charges, payday loans, or having to borrow money from family and friends, which can be uncomfortable. It gives you peace of mind knowing you can handle whatever life throws your way, big or small. Start building your emergency fund today and gain true financial peace of mind for your future. How much should you have in your emergency fund? It's a question that can feel overwhelming, but it's one of the most important steps you can take for your financial security. An emergency fund acts as a safety net, giving you peace of mind when life throws unexpected expenses your way. A good rule of thumb is to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up. This means enough to cover your rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, and other essentials if you suddenly lose your income or face a big, unexpected bill. This may seem like a lot, but remember, you don't have to save it all at once. Building your emergency fund is a gradual process, and every small step counts. Start small. Even saving $50 or $100 a month is a great start. Over time, those small amounts will add up, and you'll be surprised at how quickly your fund can grow. There are many ways to find extra money to put towards your emergency fund. Review your monthly expenses and see where you might be able to cut back, even just a little. Look for ways to cut back on your spending. Small changes, like using less electricity or planning your grocery trips, can free up extra cash. Can you pack your lunch instead of eating out? Preparing meals at home is often healthier and much cheaper than buying food on the go. Can you find a cheaper cell phone plan? Every little bit helps. Even small monthly savings can make a big difference over the course of a year. You can also try selling unwanted items online. Decluttering your home and making some extra cash is a win-win. Or consider picking up a side hustle, like freelancing, tutoring, or delivering packages in your spare time. The most important thing is to be consistent and make saving a priority. By making regular contributions, no matter how small, you'll build a strong financial foundation for whatever life brings. Where should you keep your emergency fund? This is a question that many people overlook, but it's one of the most important decisions you can make for your financial security. Your emergency fund is your safety net, your financial cushion when life throws you a curveball. You want to keep it somewhere safe and easily accessible so you can get to your money quickly if an unexpected expense comes up, like a medical bill, car repair, or job loss. A high-yield savings account at a reputable bank or credit union is a great option. These accounts offer security, easy access, and often pay more interest than a regular savings account, helping your money grow while it sits. Avoid investing your emergency fund in the stock market or other risky assets. The value can go up and down, and you don't want to risk losing money when you need it most. Liquidity and safety are your top priorities here. Remember, your emergency fund is there for real emergencies, unexpected events that could disrupt your life or finances, not for everyday expenses. It is not for impulse purchases, shopping sprees, or vacations. Using it for non-emergencies can leave you vulnerable when a true crisis hits. If you do need to use your emergency fund, make sure you replenish it as soon as possible. Treat it as a top priority, just like paying your bills. Start building your emergency fund today, even if you can only save a small amount each month. Every little bit adds up over time and brings you closer to financial peace of mind. It is one of the most important things you can do to secure your financial future and protect yourself and your loved ones from the unexpected. Don't wait for an emergency to happen. Take action now and be prepared for whatever life brings your way.